In today's video, I'm gonna tell you a lot more about vitamin A. What is happening to your body when you take vitamin A daily in recommended daily dosage? It's gonna blow your mind, and really I wanna pay attention to today's video. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that is stored in the liver. We obtain vitamin A from two main sources, as retinol, preformed vitamin A, found only in animal foods, and from carotenoids, yellow-orange plant pigments, some of which can be converted into vitamin A. Vitamin A prevents night blindness and other eye problems, as well as some skin disorders such as acne. It enhances immunity, may help to heal gastrointestinal ulcers, and is needed for maintenance and repair of epithelial tissue, of which the skin and mucous membranes are composed. It is important in the formation of the bones and the teeth, aids in the fat storage, and protects against cold, infections, kidney, bladder, lungs, and mucous membranes. One of most important functions of vitamin A in our body is anti-cancer properties. That is also unbelievably important in today's world, but people get more and more these cancer problems, and vitamin A is gonna help you a lot. Before we continue with the show, I want to tell you my new book that is called Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 is up for sale on my new website that is called MarioLab.hr. Taking regular vitamin A is going to protect your heart and the blood vessels, prevent blood clotting, atherosclerosis, and that means you're going to prevent yourself against heart attack or maybe against a stroke, one of the worst problems of modern world. Girls with frequent urinary tract infection benefits from vitamin A by having fewer days with a fever, less frequent urination, and a faster return to appetite compared to a group who did not get any vitamin A. This is important. Vitamin also slows the aging process. The body cannot utilize protein without vitamin A. Vitamin A is a well-known wrinkle eliminator. Applied topically in the form of tretinoin, the active ingredient of Retin A and Renova, vitamin A reduces fine lines in the skin and helps to fade age spots. Also, it is powerful antioxidant, both water-soluble as carotenoids and fat-soluble as retinol phases of the body. It also binds the special receptor in the cell's nucleus to regulate the way in which genes are read. This makes it vital for the production of a number of proteins, including many enzymes, as so many genes are controlled by this hormone-like action vitamin A. It is essential for normal growth and development, sexual health, and fertility. Why you need also vitamin A each day? Also, it's very important for your skin condition. As I said before, it's very good for the removing your wrinkles, age spot, but it also is very good if you have skin conditions as acne, maybe psoriasis, eczema, rosacea, and similar conditions. It can help you a lot to get better in natural way. Also, because of its role in immunity, optimum intakes of vitamin A help to protect against viral sore throats, the common colds, influenza, warts, conjunctivitis, cold sores, acute bronchitis, and possibly shingles. It is also thought to have protective actions against inflammatory bowel disease, peptic ulcers, candida yeast infections, and reducing allergies. A deficiencies of vitamin A can cause dry hair and the skin, dryness of the conjunctiva and cornea, poor growth, and or night blindness. Other possible results of vitamin A deficiency include abscess of ears, insomnia, fatigue, reproductive difficulties, sinusitis, pneumonia, frequent colds and other respiratory infections, skin disorders including acne, and weight loss. What is also very important when you think about vitamin A? This is probably the number one vitamin that can help you a lot with your eyes. That means you must, especially if you're 50 years and older, take regularly vitamin A through foods or quality supplements to prevent any kind of diseases that is correlated with the age or problems, especially eye problems like macular degeneration, cataracts, and some other eye problems. That is why is vitamin A so important. What else? Dose of vitamin A retinol is 700 micrograms for adult males aged between 1950 years and 600 micrograms for adult women. The upper safe level from long-term intakes from both diet and supplements is suggested 1,500 milligrams daily. Vitamin A can be obtained from animal livers, fish liver oils, and greens, also yellow fruits and vegetables. Foods that contain significant amount include apricots, asparagus, beets, greens, broccoli, cantaloupe, carrots, collards, dandelion greens, dulce as red seaweed, fish liver and fish liver oil, garlic, kale, mustard greens, papayas, peaches, pumpkins, red peppers, spinach, spirulina, sweet potatoes, sweet chard, turnip greens, watercress, and yellow squash. It is also presented in the following herbs: alfalfa, borage leaves, burdock root, cayenne, chickweed, eyebright, fennel seed, hops, kelp, lemongrass, mullein, nettle, oat straw, paprika, parsley, peppermint, plantain, raspberry leaf, red clover, rose hips, sage, ova ursi, violet leaves, watercress, and yellow dock. You cannot believe it. This is also powerful plants that have many other health properties. Usually this is very healthy food that you must eat every day, and this is in the short what you need to know about the vitamin A. If you want to know what is vitamin for removing edema in your special legs, click on here video.